Welcome to Ford Revolutionary Forex Institute. This is Kosinasi, the founder and a senior trader of Ford Revolutionary Forex Institute. So traders, in this video, I'm going to give you like an update of the Eurusd because you remember that on Monday or Sunday of this week, I shared like the setup of the Eurusd. So today I'm going to give you like an update, like what has been happening after I shared like the setup, ever since like I shared the setup. So traders, before we move any further, let's read the risk disclaimer for trading. Trading in foreign exchange and stock markets on margin carries a high level of risk. It may not be suitable for all investors. Past performance is not indicative of future results. The high level of leverage can work against you as well as for you. Then lastly, any information or advice contained within this platform is shared for educational purpose only, and it should not be considered as financial or investment advice. So traders, let me give you like so this is the before chart. So this is actually what so this is the chart that I shared like on Sunday or on Monday. So here I indicated that traders, we had like this possible head and shoulders pattern, and then we were waiting for the breakouts. So for us, I also indicated that we were also expecting like the full wave cycle to be completed, because we had like wave 1 or wave A completed in 5 waves, as you can see. Then now it seems like we the price is approaching to complete wave 2 as the single zigzag pattern. So, and I indicated that I am currently waiting for the price to come to this area, but at this time I'm also looking to execute like a bearish position, because I'm also looking for a short position. So let's go to daily time frame, and then on daily time frame I indicated that um, under this right shoulder here, we also have like the small head and shoulders pattern under the formation of this right shoulder, because we have like the left shoulder head and then the right shoulder. So under this right shoulder we also have like the small head and shoulder. So here this is our small head and shoulders pattern within the right shoulder, within the big right shoulder. So what happened, I indicated that the price has broke the head and shoulders pattern, and then it seems like we are expecting for the pullback to happen. So that is what I shared on like on Monday, which was saying. So we so for now we are expecting the price to complete like wave C under the formation of wave 2 or wave B. Okay, so for us, wave B has been already completed. Then we also have like wave 1, wave 2. Then under this wave 1, so for us, for me, it seems like wave 3, which is supposed to be orange in color. So it will be the extended wave, because we already had like the I would say like the subdivision within the formation of wave 3, which is a big wave 3 orange in color. So what I said on Monday or Sunday, I indicated that I was waiting for the price to come to this area of 1.07560 in order to execute a sell position. So traders, and then this was the 4-hour time frame. So you can see that so now on 4-hour time frame we mainly focused on this bullish, this is the bearish impulsive wave. So so on 4-hour time frame we will focus on this wave cycle, which is brown in color, wave 1 then wave 2. So for us, after the completion of wave 2, we have the 5 waves to the downside, and then it seems like the price was approaching to complete like wave 2 as the zigzag pattern, because it seems like we had already like wave A, then we were approaching wave B, then we were looking for wave C. So for us traders, let's go. So now let me give you what is currently happening. So yes, the head and shoulders pattern that I shared on the weekly time frame is still in play, yes, because the price is still moving around the neckline. Then when we go to a daily time frame, so you can see that you still remember that I indicated that we also had like the head and shoulders pattern, the small head and shoulders pattern within the right shoulder of the big head and shoulders pattern, because we have the big head and shoulders pattern, and then we also have this right shoulder here. This right shoulder, there is also the head and shoulders pattern within this right shoulder. So you see here, so you can see that this small head and shoulders pattern has been broken. So so the price, it seems like it's forming like a sort of a pullback to the neckline of this head and shoulders pattern. So you can see here that it seems like we have like the bullish engulfing reversal, a bearish engulfing reversal candlestick pattern. But for me, this bearish reversal candlestick pattern. It's not. I wouldn't say that this is a strong bearish reversal candlestick pattern. Yes, I can see that we do have like the bearish reversal candlestick pattern, but for me, this is not a strong bearish reversal candlestick pattern, because if you look at this candlestick here, yes, it is a bearish candlestick, but it is not like a strong bearish candlestick. But let's compare. Sorry guys. So if you can compare this bearish, you can see here that we have the bearish candlestick pattern, but we also have that the long wicks. So for me, the in the bearish reversal candlestick pattern, so in the bearish engulfing reversal candlestick pattern, I expect the bearish the bearish candlestick pattern to be as full body with small wicks. But here, yes, we do have like the bearish engulfing, but our bearish candlestick, it's not a strong candlestick. You can see, yeah, you can see even the wicks that we have here. So for me, this is not a good setup. So what I'm still expecting the price to come to this area here. So let's go to 4 hours so that you can see what is happening. So here you can see, traders, that there is this liquidity here, because there are some people who executed a sell position here and then they put their stop losses here. So if you look closely here, the price did not touch this liquidity here. So for me, I'm still expecting the price. So for me here, we have wave 1 completed in 5 waves. Then for a wave 2, it seems like it will be completed as the flag pattern. You see this possible flag pattern, and then you can also see that we also have, in terms of the relative wave theory, it seems like we will have like the double zigzag pattern, because we have like the W completed in A, B, C. Then we also have our X completed as a triangular pattern. There is a triangular pattern here. And then for our Y, it seems like it will completed as a double zigzag pattern, because we have W here. Then it seems like we're approaching our X here to be completed as the expanding flat pattern, because this is a possible formation of the expanding flat pattern. And then here I'm expecting the price to go up. But here, traders, please be careful. I'm not looking to execute a buy position here. No, traders, don't get confused. I will wait for the price to complete this X this X wave, and thereafter go up and then complete wave 2, because I'm only looking for a bearish position here. So I'm looking for the price to come here to this area to test this level here, because I believe that we have like this is a this is a bearish flag pattern. This is a flag pattern. So I'm expecting the price to complete this flag pattern here around this area, then to take out this liquidity here. And then if you use a Fibonacci level, you will also see that this area here, it's around 61.8%. And then you know, traders, that 61.8%, it's actually the golden ratio for wave 2. So traders, if this pattern here, if it fails, so it is also highly possible for the price to complete wave 2 around this area here, because you see here, traders, that we do have this order block here, and then we also have this demand level, the demand zone here. So we have the demand zone here, and then we also have this order block here. So if this level fails, if the market fails to complete like wave 2 here, then we can also expect our wave 2 to be completed around this area. And then if you use the Fibonacci ratio here, you will find that this area is exact at 88.6%. So traders, that is all I have for EURUSD. So for now, traders, let's just wait for the price to come to this area, take out this liquidity, and then we can look for any bearish reversal pattern here to execute a sell position. So if this area fails, then we can also expect the price to come to this area of 88.6%, or this order block here, and then we have like the order block, and then we also have the supply zone here, because you can see this is our supply and then this is our order block. But our main focus for now is to wait for the market to take out this liquidity here, and then I highly expect the wave 2 to be completed here exactly at 61.8%, because this area, it's also 61.8%. So traders, in terms of the risk management, nothing has changed, because we are still expecting the price to complete wave 2. So traders, thank you for watching. I will see you next week to give you an update on the EURUSD, and then I will also share a new setup, because on each and every week I will try to share a new setup. So for next week, I will share a new setup, and then I will also give you an update on the EURUSD. So thank you for watching. I will see you next week, traders.